financial planning, principles of sound financial planning, steps in financial planning, factors influencing financial plan, doubling period, problems, concepts of valuation, valuation of bonds, debentures and share, simple problems only, cash management, receivable management and inventory management. So one question from the major question, working capital, they will ask for 15 marks. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am handling this session, Financial Management, 4th semester BBA. So, it's an introduction class. We are going to explain what are the contents are. We'll move on now. Agenda, syllabus, learning outcome, units, internals, exam pattern. Syllabus, introduction to financial management, time value of money, cost of capital and financial decision, dividend decisions, capital budgeting decisions, working capital management. So they have kept about 6 units. So each unit we have to go with the detail. Introduction, unit 1, introduction to financial management. So it says, what is the meaning of finance? Meaning of business finance, finance function, organization structure of financial department, financial management, goals of financial management. What are the important goals of financial management? Financial decision, types of financial decision, role of financial manager, financial planning, principles of sound financial planning, steps in financial planning, factors influencing financial plan. A detailed study of the finance is there. Now, second one, time value of money. Time value of money, introduction to time value of money, meaning of time value of money and definition and future value, single flow, uneven flow and annuity. Present value, single flow, uneven flow and annuity, doubling period, problems, concepts of valuation, valuation of bonds, debentures and share, simple problems only. Cost of capital and financial decisions. Here, meaning of cost of capital, meaning and significance of cost of capital, sources of capital, computation of cost of capital, specific cost, cost of debt, cost of preference. Each one we have to explain. Cost of preference share capital, cost of equity share capital, weighted average cost of capital. We have to deal with the problem of weighted average cost of capital. Now, capital structure, meaning of capital structure, factor influencing capital structure, optimum capital structure, EBIT, earning before interest and taxation, EPS means earning per share, analysis, leverages, meaning, types of leverage, simple problems only. It's a lengthy chapter. We have got here 1, weighted, here got capital structure, 15 marks, 30 marks, coverage is here. And another is leverage is 10 marks, they will ask the question. Unit 4, dividend decision, meaning of dividend, factor determining the dividend decision, irrelevance theory, model, relevance theories, Walters model, Gordon model. We have to solve the problem on model also. We have to solve the problems on Walters model also. We have to solve the problem on Gordon model also. All goes to the dividend. So 3 types are there. Which are the 3 types are? model, Walters model and Gordon model. Unit 5, capital budgeting decision, meaning of capital budgeting, significance of capital budgeting technique, that is payback period, accounting rate of return, ARR, net present value, NPV, internal rate of return, profitability index. All we have to deal with. Here, major question will be asked 15 marks. In the 15 marks, for one question, we have to answer payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, and profitability index. And internal rate of return will last for 10 mark. Unit 6, working capital management, introduction, concepts of working capital, significance of adequate working capital, effect of excess or inadequate working capital, determinants of working capital, sources of working capital, estimation of working capital requirement, concepts of cash management, receivable management, inventory management. These are only theory, concept they are asking. Which are the concept they are going to deal? Cash management, receivable management, and inventory management. So one question from the major question, working capital, they will ask for 15 marks. So there are 6 units are there, lengthy, but all we have, I'm going to solve all the problems here. So here, this concept, no? Here, this is a combination of problems. We have to do the problems on weighted average cost of capital. We have to do the problems on capital structure. We have to do the problems on leverages also. Here, capital budgeting, one problem will be asked. It contains payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, and profitability index. One question, we have to solve all these things. And internal rate of return will come for another 10 marks. Last one, working capital. Here, you have to explain the concept, determinants of working capital, source of working capital, long-term source and short-term source. A problems on working capital we have to deal. And these are only concepts we have to explain. Concepts of cash management, receivable management, and inventory management. So, internals, 20 marks. Unit 1 and 2, first internal. Unit 3 and 4, second internal. 5 and 6, third internal. Final marks will be awarded on an average of 3 internals. 20 marks question. 80 goes to question paper pattern. So the question paper pattern goes, part A, you have to answer 4 questions out of 6, each carrying 5 marks, 20 marks. Second, they will ask 5 questions, you have to answer any 3, 10 into 3 is 30. Part C will ask 3 or 4, you have to answer any 2, 15 into 2 is 30, totally 80 marks. This is called paper. 35% of 80% you have to work out for paper. Totally 40 marks, pass. Books for reference. I.M. Pond is a very good book for especially finance planning. Prasanna Chandra is a good book. And S.N. Maheshwari. All the 3 books are very good regarding that. If you want to refer anything about the financial mind, we go through these 3 books. These 3 books are available in the market. So same books is also available in our library. Hope, understand? In the next session, we'll start the problem here, the theory, introduction, function, role of financial mind from the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.